I'm Alex Gaunt, founder and CEO of Water to Water. Rural Revolt is now live. Developed with funding from the Welsh Government and Growing Mid Wales, this is a simple online tool allowing farmers to explore their renewable energy options, save money, and reduce their carbon. Let's take a closer look.
Step 1. Inserting farm details. The first section is the site overview page, which will provide us an insight into the type of farm you have. Then select the renewable technologies you are interested in. Here we ask you to let us know where your farm is and what land is available for any of the technologies or equipment supporting the project in question. This automatically calculates the area available at your farm for renewables. Follow on by inserting the farm's annual electricity demand and then the farm's heating fuel type and heating consumption. The next step is inserting your electricity and heating tariff price, found in your most recent energy bill. If you have selected AD or hydrogen, we will ask for the number of dairy cows and how many days they are housed. Let's check out the results page. The results page is all about turning insight into action by empowering users to understand and assess their renewable energy potential. The results page explores how farms could generate 100% or more of their energy and transport fuel needs on-site renewably. Are you ready to harness renewable energy for your farm?